In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up products and services in Xero. We'll walk through creating a new item from start to finish so you can invoice faster and keep your costs and revenue neatly organized. First, from your Xero dashboard, head to the sales area. This is where you manage quotes, invoices, and importantly, your item list. Inside sales, open products and services. Think of this as your catalog. It can hold both physical products and services you bill for. Next, create a new item. This opens the item setup form. Start with the code. A code is a short, unique identifier that makes searching quick and keeps your list tidy. Use a simple convention you can stick with, like prod01 for products or serve01 for services. Avoid spaces and special characters if you can, and keep it consistent across your team. Enter the name. This is what your customers will see on quotes and invoices, so make it clear and descriptive. Include model or size details for products or scope details for services, so there's no confusion when you bill. Now, add the cost price. This is what it costs you to buy or deliver the item. Enter your typical cost here. If your costs fluctuate, use an average that you review periodically. This field helps with margin reporting later, so accuracy matters. If it's a service with internal labor or subcontractor costs, add a reasonable standard cost for better insights. Choose the purchase account. This is where Xero will record costs when you buy the item on bills. For goods you resell, that's often a cost of goods sold or direct costs account. For services, it may be an expense account tied to that service line. Pick the account that matches how you want costs to appear in reports. If you're unsure, check your chart of accounts or consult your advisor. Enter the sale price. This is your standard selling price. You can always override it on individual invoices, but having a default speeds up billing and keeps pricing consistent across your organization. Select the sales account. This is the revenue account that captures income when you sell the item. Common choices are sales, product sales, or services income. Choosing the right account keeps your profit and loss accurate and your reporting meaningful. When everything looks good, click Save. Your item is now ready to use on quotes, invoices, and bills. You can return to products and services anytime to update prices, refine names, or deactivate items you no longer sell. That's all it takes to set up products and services in Xero and streamline your sales workflow.